Sister Mary, stop saying that friend of yours is tricky. What you should say is, that friend of yours is tricky. Brother Yusuf, it is wrong to say you are matured enough to do it. You should rather say you are mature enough to do it. Auntie AY, it is not I will come to your place upper Monday. You should rather say I will come to your place Monday week. Are you surprised? Let me prove them to you. Hello Nigerians, I am Tutu Adewale, and all I do on this platform is to help you better your conversation in English. As I have said earlier, it is quite un-English to say that friend of yours is trickish. This is because the word trickish is an archaic adjective which no longer exists in the standard English. So, what you should say in the correct sentence from now on is that friend of yours is tricky. Tricky. That friend of yours is tricky. Also, it is incorrect to say you are matured enough to do it. You are matured enough to do it. It is incorrect. But why? The word matured, when used as an adjective, does not go with the past tense indicator D. It can only be used as the past simple or past participle when it is used as a verb, as in expressions like, my plants gradually matured, or in an expression like, his experience has matured in greatly. So, correct English demands that one should say, you are mature enough to do it. You are mature enough to do it. Or you can also say that as a mature man, not as a matured man, as a mature man, you should be able to do it. Or you can say, he is a mature person, not he is a matured person. Whichever way you use it, do not put the word mature in the past tense when used as an adjective. Again, I would like to add that there are no such words like upper Monday or next week Monday in the English language. Try as much as possible to avoid using them from now on. What you should say in standard English is Monday week for upper Monday, as in the sentence, I will come to your place on Monday week. It sounds awkward, doesn't it? Yes, I know it does. But it is the acceptable way of expressing yourself when you mean to do something 7 days after today or the next. Let me take that. When you mean to do something 7 days after today or the next, then you use Monday week, Tuesday week, Wednesday week, and the likes. I have talked about the correct use of the expression next week Wednesday in one of my videos. You can check the description of this video to watch it. Have you learned something? Follow or subscribe for more.